Welcome to a world where convenience meets safety, where technology meets tradition, and where the smallest passengers travel in style and comfort. Today, let's delve into the Evenflo Revolve360 Extend convertible car seat, a revolutionary product designed with your child's well-being at its core. The Evenflo Revolve360 Extend offers an innovative 360-degree rotation feature, making it a breeze to get your little one in and out of the car, all while using just one hand. This award-winning innovation has been thoughtfully designed to make every journey together effortless and hassle-free. This versatile seat caters to children from as light as 4 pounds, all the way up to a maximum weight of 120 pounds. It's not just a car seat, it's a companion for your child's growth, growing with them through 3 distinct modes: rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster mode. The Revolve360 Extend comes equipped with 6 reclining positions, ensuring optimal comfort for your child at every stage of their journey. Made from 100% polyester, this seat provides a cozy and breathable ride, perfect for those long hours on the road. Now, let's hear from some real users who have shared their experiences. One delighted grandparent raved about how the swivel feature saves their back and praised the seat's durability and protection. Another parent appreciated its ease of installation and use, particularly for a busy working mom. Both reviewers commended the seat's stability and comfort, with added perks like cup holders on each side. Using the Revolve360 Extend couldn't be simpler. First, ensure your vehicle is equipped to accommodate its specifications. Then, follow the instructions provided to securely install the seat, either using the latch system or a seat belt. Once installed, simply rotate the seat to the desired position and buckle your child in. It's important to note that this product should not be lubricated or submerged in water, except for certain plastic and metal parts that can be wiped clean with mild soap and water. The harness can also be cleaned in the same manner, while the seat pad should be machine washed separately. As we conclude our journey through the Evenflo Revolve360 Extend convertible car seat, it's important to remember that safety is paramount. Always refer to the manufacturer's guidelines for proper usage and ensure your child is at the appropriate height and weight recommendations before using this seat. If you're ready to embark on a smoother, more convenient, and safer journey with your little one, the Evenflo Revolve360 Extend convertible car seat could be just what you need. With its innovative design, user-friendly features, and glowing reviews from happy parents and grandparents alike, this seat is truly a game-changer in the world of child safety car seats. So, are you ready to revolutionize your car journeys? The Evenflo Revolve360 Extend awaits you.